Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on whatever you want to and then click on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of OnePlus and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Google. Also on OnePlus, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and tap on Receive. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!